Right now, we are sandwiched between high throughput on the biological design side, think AI, and high throughput on the assay side. And in between, we are bottlenecked in being able to make sequences as an idea into actual nucleotides that we can test. Synplexity has a method to make these libraries of DNA variants at scale that'll save the customer 90% on what they're paying now. You can order fragments up to 1,000 bases or libraries as big as 12K right now, and these numbers are only getting better. If you're any company that does any kind of biological search, you can order your library at synplexity.com.
Hi, I'm Craig, the CEO of Synplexity. We started Synplexity due to the demands for high throughput screening. In my career in biotechnology, one thing that was apparent over time was the increasing request for libraries at scale. Our customers hit a key bottleneck. They could not acquire enough DNA to run their most important experiments. Synplexity makes long, deep, and cheap DNA libraries with our patented DropSynth technology. We offer 10x more DNA to execute their experiments.
I oversee our enzyme engineering platform technology for development of enzymes for plastic recycling. We want to find versions of the protein that break down this plastic in the most efficient and fast manner. So we're screening hundreds of thousands of sequences. That means we need to build libraries that have hundreds of thousands of variants for us to continue to test and search for that best variant. We have an insatiable appetite for all these different variants that we're looking at, and so building these libraries is a big bottleneck.
At IndieBio, we do enzyme engineering. With our machine learning partner, we can design anywhere from 1,000 to 3,000 genes. But then we're ranking them to define that down to 150. We order anywhere between 100 and 200 genes at most. In my wildest dreams, we could screen in the same time frame about 10,000 gene fragments. And so that would be really great because it would increase our shots on goal.
Right now, many of our customers are operating at the scale of hundreds, maybe 1,000 genes. We provide tens of thousands of genes at the same price. Currently, we are shipping DNA libraries that are 1,000 base pairs long, twice as long as our competition.
Many of the DNA offerings are only able to be printed in certain lengths. And if your protein is actually longer, it can be a large challenge and is a bottleneck for protein engineering.
We're delivering DNA libraries that allow our customers to test at the scale, cost, and complexity that competitors cannot deliver. Our tech was conceived by titans of synthetic biology, George Church and Shrika Suri, and industrialized and perfected by Synplexity's founders, Kalen Pleja, professor at the University of Oregon, Sam Hinton, and me. At heart, we're a simple business. We take our customers' order, we produce their custom DNA libraries, and we make them happy so they can produce all the data they need to publish their next paper, hit their future funding goals, or get a drug candidate into the clinic. We can produce $30 million worth of DNA orders at software-like margins. We unlock the full potential of AI to create a new reality for our world. AI designs biology, Synplexity makes it real.